Guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back again today with another amazing tutorial DIY video, and trust me guys, this is how to install your human hair wig. Because you guys, you know when we did the last video how to wash your human hair, I actually said I'm going to show you guys how to install. So I'm back today with the install. In case you haven't watched the how to wash your human hair, you can go to my channel. The video is right there, how to wash your hair. So let's move on with this hair installation, how to install your hair at home. Do it yourself. You don't need to spend so much on making your own hair install or your own human hair install. So without wasting your time, let's move right straight. So when you want to install your wig, first of all, you need your wig cap, because of course, what's the wig cap without your installing your hair? You don't have a wig cap, you have to get a wig cap. So first I'm going to apply this, and I have this cornrow here already, so but I'm just going to put this on to make the installation smooth and neat. So let's do this first. This is a little bit brighter than my skin tone, but you can actually get your skin tone, guys. So if you want to do this stocking cap, you can go ahead and do it, but this is just the easy hair installation. And next we are going to add our spray right here. So next we have to add the spray or the bold hold. This is a glue. I don't know if you can see this clearly. So So this is the hair we are applying. If you guys check the video I watched, this is actually the hair. So This is a body wave. I'm going to install it. It's a lace closure wig. As you can see here, the interior is neat and everything. There's an elastable, two elastable here to make it tight at the back. So while installing, so let's go ahead and install this video. guys, as you can see, we have come to an end of this beautiful hair installation. I truly love this process because this is what I do all the time, and it's easy for me. This is simple DIY. You can do this at home. All you need to do, get your borehole glue for your Glueless, get your got to be spray, you get your wax stick, and every other thing you see in this video, your hair dryer to blow your hair to give you that dry look. So guys, in case you're interested in this video, all details are right here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your ideas, what you want to see next, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys.